Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's hair sponsor is Amanda Hair. I've worked with them many times on my channel. We're here to talk about this wig today. You're gonna want to stick around to hear all the details about today's install. Today I have installed a 24-inch 250% HD transparent lace. This is in the water wave texture, and this is also a glueless unit. Look at her. Oh my goodness. You could definitely wear this wig glueless because it is staying pretty flat. I'm trying to decide what I want to secure the wig with today. I think I'm gonna try this Ebon. This is a holding gel. I started from this side the last time and I really liked how the results came out, so I'm gonna do that again. I want to get rid of that little white cast, so I'm going in with some foundation. You can use lace tint if you want. Anytime I do that, I just do it rough and then I go in and tidy it up with a damp rag.
Impress you anymore, spending all this time trying to get you on my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal.
I'm gonna go in with this little holding gel.
What I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us for the stable friend.
Recently I did a kinky curly wig. If you guys didn't see that video, I'm gonna leave it in the description box as well because that wig is absolutely gorgeous. I did bleach the knots on this unit before I even got to this point here where we installed her. I did not pluck the hairline. I left it alone. Now, if I had plucked the hairline, I think it would have looked even more realistic for sure. Like, the texture is definitely a water wave, but I would say this hair feels more like raw hair. It's more natural looking. Feels like it has more like substance to it. It has more texture to it. It also has like a bit more of a weight to it. I like how it's looking. I like that it's just kind of slightly wavy. It's not doing too much. And 250% density. She is very full. It fits my head really nicely. I didn't really have to cut off too much lace. Some wigs you have a lot of extra lace, and when you cut it off, it has like a weird space and like it feels really loose around here. I forgot to mention this wig is also a glueless wig, so it does have a strap. Yes, you can wear glue clueless, but at the same time, it's kind of like, I don't know, like frontal wigs I think should be secured, but this is her secured, and I'm loving how this is looking. Very clean. I didn't really have to put any powder on the hairline. I did anyway, but I didn't really notice the difference. The lace is definitely giving me like more transparent than on the HD side. It is an HD transparent. I'm not sure if you guys know what that is or what the difference is. Anytime you see HD and then you also see transparent, it's going to be a mixture of both of those laces. I did go in and tint her, and I put some foundation to kind of hide the lace because I did notice that it was showing through. I love the length on it. It's giving me longer than 24 inch to be honest, and I am here for that. I have no problems with a wig seeming longer or being in the styled length. When you get a curly wig, you don't want stretch length, and a lot of companies do. You guys see it all the time. I review so many wigs where it's like curly and it's like stretched length. This wig is definitely not stretch length, it's styled length. What you're thinking 24 inch, it's definitely at least that or more. The texture itself is just gives very natural. It's like a soft frizzy, where it's like frizzy looking but like soft, and that means like the curls are not super defined. It just looks like raw hair, to put it simply. That's just what I think. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Anything curly, I would say you can't go wrong if you're checking out Amanda hair. That is all for today's review. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, leave me a thumbs up because it really does go a long way. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you should think about doing that. I'm always doing giveaways, and I also have online shop where I post wigs on there all the time. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye for now.